how to remove suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android. So if you don't have the advanced features on your phone, there is another option you can go ahead and try, which is going into your settings. But make sure you know what app you're using to share your photos. In our case, we're using the photos option. So in settings, just go ahead and search for apps, and in your apps, go to the app that you're using to share your photos. So in our case, as we mentioned, was the Photos app. What you're going to do is go to your photos, go to app permissions, and disallow the contacts. Of course, if you don't have contact permission, they won't be able to show you the contacts when you are sharing photos. Same with other apps you're using. You can go ahead and try maybe your gallery. Just go ahead and disallow the contacts permission if it does exist, and with other apps you're using for sharing photos, I mean. But that's pretty much one of the other ways you can remove suggested contacts when sharing photos on Android if you don't have the advanced feature. So hopefully it does work for you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.